Happy Sabbath, everyone. Okay, you have witnessed the talents and the gifts that God has given to our young people. So this evening, you have witnessed the first part of our weekend program that is sponsored by Youth Ministry Department. So tomorrow, I invite everyone again to attend the Sabbath School, the Divine Worship, and most of all, na medyo kinakalimutan ng lahat, ang AY program ay mas masarap itulog na pagkahapon, mahirap na ibalik. So I inviting everyone to attend our Sabbath School, Divine Worship, and AY program. So our AY, this program aims to train our young people to hold Sabbath programs and services, give chance to our young people to develop their talents and gifts and be used in that service, establish camaraderie, involvement, friendship, and fellowship among our young people, develop confidence. Makita man ninyo, no? Murag, ano kaya nila confidence, no? Murag hindi maulaw. And then, self-esteem and creativity of the young people. So, nakita man ninyo na how creative they are. Actually, hindi present nila, hindi ko rin yung nakita sa ICAP, may na-work. So, I would like to share to you the life stages of an Adventist from the chapter 1 of Adventist Youth Handbook and Training Manual, pages 123 to 124. Actually, hindi man itaas kayo. Gwapo lang naman siya nakasulat, no? May time ako na gina-emphasize natin, diba, from childhood and then hanggang adult. Ginahatagan natin sila murag kanya-kanyang murag mga program. So dito, gimension yung life stages of an Adventist. Sabi dito, the baby Adventist progresses through cradle roll and kindergarten and on to primary Sabbath school, and eagerly participates in 13 Sabbath programs in front of mom and dad and brothers and sisters. Diba? Every 13 Sabbath, nag-join, nag-participate ang mga bata. Pero ang young people natin, early murag, hugot-hugotin lang, no? Kung pagtapan ba, as participants sa program. Pero parang ngayon lang nilayari na nakamita kayo nag-handle ng program from Vesper up to tomorrow. And then, sa dito, Sabbath at church are synonymous with activity, fun, and learning about Jesus. For the little child this age of infant, adoration is one in which the church is an important part of a happy, secure world. And at about 10 to 12 years of age, the child begins to make the transition into early adolescence. So, sa age ang adolescent stage? Nasa? Tapos naman yung junior. So, narito sila, no? 13, 12 pataas, 13, 14, 15 ka na mga teen. Teenage years, Kaya green. So, most young Adventists are baptized, and with it, there's often a desire to make a real grown-up spiritual commitment. Most young Adventists are baptized between the ages of 10. Diba? Mag-start na mag-baptize sila, matapos ng Bible study, 10 years